Hello students, my name is Ruchika. I welcome you to Success Series Education. Students of ICSE class 10th who study English, I'll tell you the exam pattern and the structure of the question paper that you can expect in your exams. There are two papers of English. One is English language and the other is literature in English. There is a written paper which carries 80 marks weightage and an internal assessment that will be for 20 marks. Also in literature, there will be a written paper for 80 marks and the internal assessment will be for 20 marks. I'll talk about both of these. The examination paper will be set on the entire syllabus which has been prescribed for English. Although you have studied some of the syllabus in class 9th and some in class 10th, but in your board exams, the entire syllabus will be covered. Paper 1, that is language. It is a 2 hours paper which carries 80 marks weightage. There will be 4 questions in all and all of them are compulsory. First question is a composition writing and carries 25 marks. There will be a choice of subjects and some suggestions will also be given in the paper, but it is your own option that you use those suggestions or you write the passage on your own. The checks on which you will be marked are organization of subject matter, the syntax, correctness of grammatical constructions, spelling and punctuation. The next question is a letter writing which carries 10 marks. There will be a choice of 2 subjects, that is formal or informal letter. There will be some suggestions given regarding the content of the letter, but you may or you may not use those suggestions. The checks on which you will be marked are layout of the letter, the format and style for the letter, use of appropriate salutation, the spellings and punctuation. Next question 3, that is the unseen passage. It is carrying a weightage of 25 marks. The types of questions that will be asked based on the passage are vocabulary questions, short answer questions and summary writing. And the grammar checks on which you will be marked: understanding the words of phrases given in the passage, understanding the content of the passage, distinguishing the main idea from the supporting details and the salient points given in the passage. Next question 4, that is short answer questions carrying 20 marks weightage. The types of questions will be sentence completion, multiple choice questions and short answer type questions. Basically their aim is to check your grammar skills. The checks will be functional grammar, structure of the language and usage of the language. So how well you can use the language. That is what they will check in this question. The next paper 2, that is literature in English. This will also be a 2 hours paper carrying 80 marks weightage. You have to attempt 5 questions carrying 20 marks each. So 3 questions you have to attempt compulsory from each of the 3 sections, that is drama, prose and poetry. And the remaining 2 questions can be from any of these 3 sections. First section, that is drama, there is a choice of 2, The Merchant of Venice and Loyalties. So you can study any one of these and attempt the questions on that. There will be 4 questions and attempting 1 question out of these 4 is compulsory. The checks on which you will be marked are understanding of the passage, interpretation of the questions which have been set, giving the answer in your own words. It should be relevant to the text and you can give some excerpts from the text in support of your answer. The next section is poetry. The list is given after. There will be 2 questions given from the poem or the passage from the poem and you have to attempt 1 question as compulsory. The checks on which you will be marked are response to the poem which you give, the content of your answer, how well you have understood the poem, and your personal response which you give in support of your answer. Here is the list of the poems: Where the Mind is Without Fear, The Inchcape Rock, In the Bazaars of Hyderabad, Small Pain in My Chest, The Professor, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, A Doctor's Journal Entry for August 1945, If Thou Must Love Me, I Believe, A Psalm of Life. The next section, that is prose, the list is given after. There will be 6 questions out of this and you have to attempt any one question as compulsory. The grammar checks on which you will be marked are understanding the text, how well you have understood it, the interpretation of the questions which you will give, how well you have answered in your own words. It should be relevant to the text and you can give some excerpts in support of your answer. India's Heroes, Journey by Night, Hunger, My Lost Dollar, God Lives in the Punch, The Last Leaf, Kabuliwala, The Bet, The Tiger in the Tunnel, Princess September, Animal Farm, To Serve with Love. So these are the prose that you have to study. In the internal assessment, which carries 20 marks, paper 1 of English language will also have an internal assessment of 20 marks, and paper 2 of literature and English will also have a weightage of 20 marks for the internal assessment. In paper 1 of English language, the internal assessment will be based on speaking skills and listening skills, and in English literature, you will be marked on the basis of your written assignment. Thank you for watching this and do subscribe to Success Series Education.